Hi, let me tell you three editorials. First, voting using handheld electronic devices will begin on a trial basis from July in small-scale private sector secret ballots, such as the election of school presidents and representatives of apartment complexes, an official from the election watchdog said Wednesday. The NEC, National Election Commission, said casting votes via smartphones or PCs could then be eventually extended to election of public officials. The official said, to offer convenience for voters, we decided to launch an internet and mobile voting service in cooperation with KT. The NEC and KT inked an agreement Tuesday to push ahead with the scheme. The NEC's experience and expertise in managing elections and KT's high technical skills and infrastructure in the information and communications field will be combined into the task. We will cooperate with each other to increase public interest in such a system, the official said. The NEC expects the measure to boost voter turnout and save time counting ballots because procedure for polling and vote counting will be far simpler than a paper vote system. The service will be examined to see if it can be applied to public office elections such as presidential, general, and local elections. Second, North Korea offers a proposal for talks to discuss normalizing relations, including reopening the Kaesong Industrial Park and a joint hour program to Mount Kumgang. Seoul's Unification Ministry said the government accepts North Korea's proposal for talks between the governments. We hope the intergovernmental talks will be an opportunity to build trust between the two Koreas. The North Committee for the Peaceful Reunification of Korea made the offer, said Pyongyang was also willing to discuss the reopening of inter-Korea communication channels and arranging a reunion of separated families. It also proposed the two Koreas co-host an event to mark the 41st anniversary of a landmark inter-Korean cooperation agreement. On the occasion of the anniversary of the June 50th Joint Declaration, we proposed talk between the North and South governments for the normalization of the Kaesong Industrial Zone and the resumption of Mount Kumgang tours. The North Committee for the Peaceful Reunification of Korea said. In the talks, the two sides could discuss humanitarian issues, including the reunion of separated families and relatives if necessary, said the agency in charge of cross-border affairs. It also suggested the two governments jointly celebrate the anniversaries of the first inter-Korean agreement reached on July 4, 1972, and the first cross-border summit on June 50, 2000. Last news is about the World Cup qualifier. Korea draws with Lebanon. The score was 1 versus 1, and Kim Chi-woo, who is Korea's defender, saved the day by striking in added time. The match was expected to be Korea's last East game in Group A, as the Middle East nation was already hard to participate in the 2014 World Cup in Brazil. However, the outcome turns out quite different from what we have expected. Korea struggled in the absence of two regular center midfielders, yellow-carded Ki Sung-yong and injured Gu Ja-chol, and their replacements fell short. Korea now tops the group with Uzbekistan but has a better goal difference. Iran trails by 1 point after beating Qatar 1 versus 0. Their close proximity in the tables ups the ants Korea as to play both sides this month. Home fixtures are scheduled against Uzbekistan on June 11 and Iran on June 18. The one silver lining is that Ki is expected to return to action this week, and possibly Ku. Now, I will tell you again all this editorial briefly with my opinions. First was, voting using handheld electronic devices will begin in small-scale ballots. It is expected to help promote voter participation, especially among the young generation, which has an apparent declining interest in politics. Second, North Korea offers a proposal to fix relationship between two Koreas. It will be contribute to the improvement of the Korea Peninsula's relations if the two sides jointly mark the June 15 and July 4 statements with the participation of the authorities and civilian groups. This means, of course, peace of Asia. Korea draws with Lebanon in the World Cup qualifier. We were believing him, but Korea national soccer team director Choi Gang-hee has entirely wasted his chance, so now it's time for him to quit his position, and we need other great director and coaches. Thank you for listening.